Welcome to Mud Grip Mike's YouTube channel. I just make some short videos, hopefully, that don't bore you to death of everyday stuff that I do. And if you like them, hit the like button or even the subscribe. And thanks for watching. And as always, let's go Brandon. Okay, folks, welcome again to Mud Grip Mike. Got the hood up on the 51 CJ3A as normal. And today's problem I'm going to be working on is where here's your oil filter canister. Got a 1/4 inch copper tubing line that goes out of the bottom and goes down there into the timing gear cover. Well, when I got the Jeep, it was leaking there. There's brass. Somebody had tried to braze it up. I don't really know what the problem is, if it's leaking at the fitting or where it goes into the gear case or timing gear case. It's got a big old blob of ugly JB weld that's been there forever. So I'm gonna take this line loose at the bottom of the oil filter housing and just see if I can fix it. Probably have to chip away that old JB weld. I don't really want to take the gear case off. I could take it off and solder it if that's the problem, or braze it, but they've also done some welding. These 2 lugs sticking out for this winch on the harmonic balancer, and the nut has been chiseled horribly with, they didn't use the proper tool socket. So I don't really want to get into all of that. I'm going to see if I can fix it with JB weld. So I'm going to take that line fitting loose, seal it off, blow it dry, and get to work. So stand by. Okay, well, I cut the finger off of a rubber glove and put a yellow tie wrap. So that that'll stop the oil from coming out of the housing. And I chipped away some of that old JB weld, and it looks to me like I see a hex fitting. It looks like they soldered the hex straight into there, and there's no way to loosen it or tighten it. It was strictly up to the grace of God and a JB weld. So I'm going to continue chipping away that JB weld. I'm gonna get the starter, loosen the starter, take this belt out of the way, make this easier to do. Take the fan off so I can get down in there without rubbing up against a radiator and scratching my arms all to pieces. So let me go get some wrenches and I'll be right back. Okay, I got me a 7/16 little ratchet here. Let me take these 4 loose to get the fan loose, and then I'll remove the belt. I'm having difficulties with one. Okay, I've got all of the bolts loose. Give this a little pry, and down it goes with one hand. Okay, we got that out. Put it over here out of the way and put the 4 bolts that go with it out of the way. And then I'll go over here on this side, I think, and get the belt. If I can go ahead and get this whole generator up. Pause. Well, actually, I couldn't get the belt off. I'm out of adjustment here on this slot. It's hitting. Won't go any further. I'm not going to take the bolt out. That's hard to get out to. Go get me some sandpaper and try to clean that brass off, and then put alcohol or acetone, get it as dry and clean as I can. And of course, I've already drew blood on that radiator, so I'm going to put my rubber gloves on at least, and then I'll be back. Yeah, while that's drying, I think I'll go fix some bacon and eggs and see what it brings. Chickens, I'm supposing, are laying, and I'll be back. Well, the proof is in the pudding. I did this about, I don't know, 5 hours ago. And idling, let's see what kind of pressure we got idling. Well, there's not but about 20 pounds. I'll rev it up a little. Well, I forgot. I gotta put the fan blade, hook the belt back up. But as of yet, I don't see any leaks, so we have to call that good. Let's see. Okay, well, I got the fan back on there, and don't appear to be any leaks. It was dripping pretty bad before. Oh yeah, that baby's dry. I'm gonna take it for a little run. Call this, as they say, let's call it a win, man. Every once in a while I'll get one right. Okay, Mr. Willys, or as the Yankees call him, Willys. Pronounced Willis, I don't know the problem, folks. It's always been Willis. All right, 74-year-old Jeep. I'm fixing to go for a drive. As always, thanks for watching Mud Grip Bike. You can hit the like and subscribe. It would help out. Thank you.